Hello, fellow video editors. I have made a tool that is completely free and I want to showcase it to you because I feel like it will help speed up your workflow, adding chapters and timestamps and things like that to your YouTube videos. And you can even use this for Twitch streams and VODs if that's something you're into. Okay, so the way that I edit videos, I like to add these little markers here, and these represent different chapters that would then be converted into timestamps for YouTube videos. I'm sure all of you know this, but timestamps are the things down here. I'll try and put some in this video that help you skip through certain segments so people can easily find what they're looking for. It probably damages your watch time, but you know what? It helps, so let's keep doing it. Now, the issue with this method specifically is that if we wanted to convert these markers into timestamps, what we would normally have to do is open one up and, okay, so this would be the first one, the intro with 0 seconds, and then the second would be item duplication glitch at 11 seconds, and you would have to go through and get the time for every single one of these, and you'd have to get the title for every single one of these. And if you're working with 10, 20 different chapters in a YouTube video, this is incredibly tedious. So what I've done, I have made a little way of speeding this process up. If we go to File, and then we go down to Export, and then go to Markers, you'll see that we have the option to export as comma-separated values, or a CSV file. I'm going to change the location to my Downloads folder. Yes, I misspelled my name when I set up my PC, don't judge me. And then we're going to call this one Markers for Skyrim, and we're going to save it. Once we're done with that, if we go over to my store, this sounds like a really bad plug, but I promise it works. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything here. At the very top of the page, you'll be able to find a little option called Tools. Tap on that, and then there's a little tool right here called Chapters to Timestamps. Tap that, and then it will give you the option to upload your CSV. That will bring up your Markers for Skyrim folder, whatever you choose to call it. Click Open, and then automatically it will give you the timestamps and everything you need that you can just copy, or you can, tap the copy button right here, and then paste into YouTube. So again, for people who are making videos with 10, 20, 30 different chapters, this is going to save you a bunch of time. Now, this tool will always be free. I don't ever want to charge for tools, but if you do want to support this channel and everything we do on the website, there's an option to drop a tip down at the bottom, or even from the homepage, you can grab yourself some video editing assets and MOGRTs and things like that. I've got a whole video on MOGRTs and how amazing they are to use, specifically if you're working as a video editor for clients and things like that. I'll put a link down in the description. And personally, I would prefer you guys to grab something like this because it benefits you, it benefits your clients, it helps you grow your channel. It's not just tipping someone for the sake of, oh, you made a cool thing. You're actually able to level up and learn and grow as a creator. Anyway, I love your faces. You're amazing and beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one.